friends, today we're going to make the DIY magic card. For this magic card, you need 15 by 15 centimeter square size paper. First step is use one corner to the other corner. Make a crease. Same thing with the line over here. Now we have to fold it like a fortune teller. Make a crease on all sides. Open it. Now turn it back side. It should come as a form in a diamond or a square. Now, like this, fold it like this. Do this for only 3 sides. This is our second, and this is our third. These all should come right in the middle. Now this step is quite confusing. You open this and you have to fold like this. Again, open, push inside and fold. Same thing on the other side. There we go. And we have our DIY magic card. You can write anything in it. I have done many of these. This is now what we did. This is what I showed you. You can do it in various ways. And this is only just emojis. Happy, dead, and love. These emojis I have kept in this one. And over here I have given this to my mom and dad. Friends, I hope you liked today's video. Please do subscribe and please hit the bell icon. And stay innovative, stay safe, stay at home until we meet again in Fun and Learn with Mahi. Goodbye.